Well, anyone that knows anything about rivets knows it has to be in a hole, right? You need a backing. So what I'm going to do, very similar to a pair of jeans, is put a big old rivet in this fabric. Big headed, nice washer backing. Now,
just like a pair of jeans, yep.
yeah.
It's so terribly loud, I thought it was the generator.
Air riveter holding it. Here we go.
That's all it does when you're mushrooming out.
That's
Okay. Gosh, that's
stud
cool.
broke off way down in there, so I didn't have any. Here's the other strap. I went ahead and used this to make a pilot hole. It's a lot easier because this little soldering iron is not very powerful.
Good job, honey. Meanwhile, kind of feeling a little strange. This is my third day of the OMAD diet. Just, it's time. It's time to do something about my weight. The Badlands trailhead is about 19 miles or so from the center of Bend, and we were going to stay overnight there on our way out, but as it turned out we got quite an early start, so we didn't have to. And so we just drove in to show you what it was like right here in this little area. It's just a nice little stop off for overnight, and there's also all kinds of trails out here and more camping in this area, so a pretty good place to boondock. Pretty cool.
And there.
Those are working out pretty good.
Yeah, it seems to be just fine.
Nice and strong. Awesome.